I was on my way to Greeley to make a delivery for the company, and there's a bad part of the road. It curves off to the right, and for like a semi, which I hit, didn't see me. Next thing I know, there he was right in front of me. And I tried to, sort of miss him. It was just so quick, so fast. I hit that guy probably doing 65 miles an hour, because it was just bam, he was right there. And that was the speed limit on the highway, and that's what I was doing. My ribs were all bruised, my sternum was broke, my heart rate was totally down. I was kind of having a hard time breathing. The ambulance got there pretty fast. I was in the emergency room, they took x-rays and said, your sternum is cracked. And my heart rate was extremely low. It was like 20, 25 beats a minute. And I'm like, this isn't good, And then the next morning they told me they were taking me in to put a pacemaker in. My wife, we started talking, we better look, see if we have a case, because hospital bills are mounting up and I'm not working, So my wife went online and she started looking at everything, and one of her friends told her about McDivitt. And then my wife checked out the reviews and everything on McDivitt, and she said, this is the one I think you should go with. My case manager, Carrie, was great because she did everything she promised she was going to do. And then every time she told me what was going to happen, happened, what was going to be the next step, and then when it was going to happen, and it was like everything was right on time. My attorney Joe was a pit bull. He was just on it, and he never gave up. And he called me many times and told me what his next move was, what he was going to do. And he did it too. I mean, this company is integrity based all the way. Every time I would call, or I would have a question, I would call, and if Carrie didn't answer, or if somebody at the firm didn't answer, I would get a text or a call back before the end of the day, every time. I would highly, extremely recommend them to anybody, just because of their integrity, the hard work they did. They went to bat for me, and I love that. It seems like that I fell and they caught me. It's just how I feel. This is the only call you need to make, is McDivitt. You don't need to call anybody else. They're true people, and they're family, and they worked and they did everything they said like a family member should.